Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any and all videos that I upload. Today is Wednesday, which is the Brewed Beauties collab day. And the theme for today's collab video is the March birthstone, Aquamarine. So I'm going to try to do a look like that. The collab is hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Please go watch her video as well. And also in the collab is Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. Please check out her video. I will leave the links to their channels in the description below. So, I don't know what palette I'm using. I have 3 of them open. I have, of course, Jeffree Star's Blue Blood open. I have Blue Moon by Colourpop. I also have by Colourpop the Animal Crossing, the green version to maybe bring in a little bit of green. I also have the Star Ranch sitting here. I got Viva La Musical because they have some blues and greens. So I'll let you know what I'm dipping into. So, of course, you know the Aquamarine is the birthstone for March. It runs anywhere from pale blue to a pale bluish green. It's like I said, the March birthstone. It's also the gemstone for the 19th wedding anniversary. So I looked some stuff up about it. Aquamarine is in the beryl mineral family as it pertains to gemstones. It receives its color from the presence of 2 different types of iron, ferrous and ferric. Aquamarine is more of a greenish blue and is normally heat treated to remove the greenish color to make it more clear and blue. So, or I should say, if it's more greenish blue. Not all aquamarine has any green in it at all. So we're going to get started. Well, maybe we will. Let me grab some brushes. Can't do makeup without brushes, right? Alright. Some stuff here. Now, I do see, probably you guys realize that I have mascara on. And we went to an appointment for my husband at the allergist. It's about an hour drive one way. So I didn't put any makeup on. I just put mascara on and a little bit of foundation. So all I'm doing is priming my eyes, which I'm not liking how that's feeling today. When we left here, it was beautiful and sunny. It was about 50 degrees, I guess. We got out there and got through his appointment. It's 5:53 right now. It's when I'm filming. It's a Monday when I'm filming, but this is going up on Wednesday. So anyway, when we went into the doctor's office, it was like in the 50s and, you know, partly cloudy, a little bit of clouds here and there. And when we came out, 45 minutes later, it was 38 degrees and pouring down rain like a sleet rain. So we went and got something to eat and we came home. Because we didn't want to be stuck out there in that neck of the woods. You know, with it snowing and raining and whatever else it's going to decide to do, since it's been so bipolar lately. All right, I'm going to go into Jeffrey's. Maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, in the Blue Blood palette, the mint tea, to bring a little bit of the green in. I'm going to do that up on the top. And I have to make my crease a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes. I know a lot of people don't like wearing their makeup all the way to the top of their eyebrows, but when you have hooded eyes, that's what you have to do sometimes. So it's very light. That's what I want. But I just want something for everything else to blend into. See this little weird dark spot on my eyebrows? I don't know what's causing that. Isn't that weird? It's new, but like, it's weird. When I look at it in the mirror, I don't notice it as much. And then on camera, very weird. Alrighty then, whatever. Alright, I'm going to go into... I want to make this light because Aquamarine is pale. But yet I want you to... And I want to make it light enough where you don't feel like you're... You know, that you couldn't wear it out. Alright. I'm going to go into Blue Blood. I'm going to go in the outer V. And I think that's as dark as I'm going. And I'm just tapping that in there for now. Well, wiping it in, whatever. I am going to blend it. Because I don't want it to be too bright and, you know, too dark blue. Because aquamarines really aren't that dark. I want it to be a pretty... Man, my lips are so chapped. Today was murder on lips, man. It was so windy. When we were driving back through the rain, the car was just whipping all around. I seriously was grateful for the school buses of all things. Because it seemed like we got beside some on the highway. And it seemed to break the wind a little bit. You know, because it was really like whipping our car around. It was scary. It was like those little microbursts of wind. I'm just blending that in and up. Like, it doesn't need to go all the way up, but like I said, I don't want it to be real dark because aquamarine is a lighter stone. Alright, so that might be all I'll be able to use of Jeffrey's palette. Alright, so I want to go in with a flat brush. This is Lunar Beauty brush. I really like his brushes. This is Lunar Beauty. I can't read it. LBE5. Alright, I think I'm going to go into the ColourPop palette. And go into Moonlight. I don't know, that seems kind of dark. Maybe I'm going to go into I'm Cold on Jeffrey's palette, the Blue Blood. And I'm going to go, yeah, that's more pale. I'm going to go all over the lid. Up to where I put that in. I might deepen that. Well, no, I don't want to deepen it. It's going to be Pale look. Okay. Stop it, Chris. How can we already be 10 minutes in? I'm trying not to mess up my mascara, but I'll just go over it a little bit. I am going to go back into that darker color just so I can blend that a little better. This is I'm Cold out of the Blue Blood palette. Oh, why does my wall look so yellow? The sun's going down, so maybe it's from that. I don't know. Alright. I really like this Blue Blood palette. I don't usually wear blues because I have blue eyes. Some people say wearing blue eyeshadow with blue eyes enhances your blue eyes, and some people say it doesn't. So, alright. That's pale blue enough, right? Blend this. Mash it together. I do have a piece of raw aquamarine. I'll get in here in a second and show you guys. It's a raw piece. It's very pale. Someone gave it to me for my birthday. Alright. I'm going to go back in with Blue Blood. A little bit just to deepen that. Just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so I want to honor the greenish blue part of it, you know, because I know they say that they heat treat it to get the greenish out. Because most people, when they want aquamarine, like for a birthstone ring or whatever, they want it to be that clear blue, you know. But I want to honor the way it's naturally found. So I'm going to add from the ColourPop Animal Crossing palette. This is Nook Ink. This is the Nook Ink palette. I'm going to add that shimmery green. I'm going to try it with a brush first. I don't remember if these perform good with a brush or not. And if it don't work, I'll use my finger. That's pretty. I might take it the whole way. It looks nice with that blue under it. Hopefully you guys can see. It looks different in the mirror than it does on camera. Isn't that always the way it is? I don't know how to adjust. I got new lights. I'm just still playing with the adjustment. Alright. That's nice and sparkly. Alright, that looks pretty. See, I want to keep it pale because aquamarines are pale. Oh, there was some other stuff. It says, aquamarine is steeped in myth and legend. Used in jewelry since at least 500 BC, once believed to be the treasure of the mermaids, it was often worn by sailors and travelers as a talisman to protect against shipwreck and ward off seasickness. That was all I looked up about it. I mean, there was a big article. You know, you can look it up. That's the wonderful thing about Google. I'm going to use Breakfast at Tiffany's Jeffree Star's eyeliner. Well, I think it's a lip liner, but I like it because of the blue color. And it goes with this look. And it's a very pretty eyeliner. So I don't even think I have to touch up my, touch it up a little bit. I'm using ColourPop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. I'm just going to touch up the top. Whoops, and make a mistake. I can't do this in the... Alright, so what are we going to do about that? Oh, hair. What did I wear there? It was... I'm cold. There we go. I needed to add that in there anyway, didn't I? Bring it all together. Alright, I'm digging that. We're up to 16 minutes. I'm going to go in with Collab, I guess it's called, and inner corner. Pop that in there. A little bit up here on the brow bone. That's out of Blue Blood. The white sparkly. And we are going to fluff it up. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. This is the Animal Crossing lip crayon, and this is in cherry. It's like a tinted gloss. It's nice on your lips, especially mine when they're chapped. Alright, so I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go grab that piece of Aquamarine, and then I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the look. It's my Aquamarine look. And this is a piece of raw Aquamarine. Can't really... I don't know how to show it that it actually shows the color. It just looks gray and white on here. But I can assure you it's blue. But it's very light. Like, it's very clear. And this is a raw, so I would have to have it polished and to bring out the blue. See how pale it is? But it's a raw piece. And somebody gave it to me for my birthday because it's my birthstone. So there's that. Alright. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Go watch the other girls in the collab. And happy collab day to the girls. And you guys have a great Wednesday and the rest of your week. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.